So hello guys, just a second. Welcome back to another session. Okay, of backtesting. Yesterday I was not able to do the session, so yes, I did one session, and I am going to do another session for a day. And because see, I missed this day, and also I missed this Sunday, so I have to cover up for them as well. So I'll cover up for this thing as well, so that I can be consistent. Okay, so it's actually day 16. It's not day 15. So first day I'll complete day 15, and then I'll complete day 16 today itself. I'll try my best. Okay, now as on the last session we guys can see we are now 11.06% up. Okay, and we have a winning percent 36.84, and we need to increase our winning percentage at least some 40 or 45% I could see, or maybe 50%. It's like really good. It will be really good if we have 50% of the winning percentage, or 40% is the first mark. Okay, so see, I get some jump in the price liquidity, and then some round off, then again jump, then again round off, then again jump. That's what I am actually doing. Okay, I'm trying to flat down the equity drawdown curve. Let's play the price and see what is actually happening. Okay, we finished the last, I guess, we finished the last week. Every time whenever I'm ending the session, I try to finish all the weeks I have. Okay, what is this particular line I could see? This Thursday, this what? This Wednesday. Okay, this is day line. Okay, good, got it. Load layout 2022 GBUSD, got it. Here we are. Do we have any lines there? No, we don't have any lines here. Okay, fine. So you guys can see, yes, we actually chopped out this particular uh, what do you call it, the trade. It was like it was too weak, and I used the forever model of Justin Verlin. Justin Verlin is a YouTube channel. Okay, you guys can check out his forever model. According to this date, it is named as a forever model. Okay, now that's it. This is the reverse in price equilibrium. Let's delete it because I was anticipating, because these, you guys can see these lows are there, and obviously I'll try not to speak much because I still have some pain in my throat, so I'll not speak that much. But yeah, this is what I was going with. Let's go on a daily time frame again. Have a look on the daily time frame. Okay, if these levels get swept now, then I'll be very much sure that okay, these things are going to be taken out now. From this point high to this point low, this is the 0.5% equilibrium, which is below all these particular sell side liquidities. So yes, I want all these sell side liquidities to be taken, but the price it has moved higher, so it should come back to the equilibrium before it wants to do anything else. That's it. That is the motto. Got it? Okay, that is what it needs to do. So let's see if it wants to do this or not. So here's the equilibrium level price swing. It took out all this, as it will take out this sell liquidity. So even if it has not taken right now, but it will take it out. Okay, so Friday is the time. Go on 1 hour time frame. Okay, we can see on a 1 hour time frame, it is so much taking out all the sell side liquidities at once, which it has built over time. So yeah, it is right now over here, but surely it will take out all these. I guess it will even take out these liquidities as well, these particular low liquidities. Let's see. We are actually out of the trade, and we have already taken our trade, and it's $139 in profit, so it's fine for me. Okay, now let's see what is this thing. Go on a 15-minute chart and let the price do what it wants to. Okay, by the way, actually I was anticipating some other movement if the price will reject from that place. Okay, and it comes back to this particular change in the delivery. Change in the state of delivery. Okay, then I might look for some other sell side entry. So these all these high lows are taken now. Okay, so this was an important one. That's why I tried to keep the price near it. This was rapidly deleted. This was somewhere it was important. Okay, but not that much, so it's also taken. Let me just keep it aside. Now what should I do? The price is doing a reversal or not? I want the price to come back to that point. Okay, so it is trying to make this thing. Let me just go on 5-minute time frame to see what is actually happening. Where is the change in the structure daily we can find? So here we have an inverted fair value gap. Okay, I told you that there is an inverted fair value gap, and I will take an entry on that thing. Okay, so this fair value gap that was inverted, it went back down, and then it exactly, you guys can see how sharply it went down. Okay, so let's see what it is trying to do. So yep, I'll ask the price to at least come back to this particular level. That is what I anticipate, and I want the high to be somewhere around this I want the sell stop to be at this level. I don't want to see the price go above this point. That's it. What's the time right now? Okay, okay, stop. What the hell? Yes, I want the price to be at this level. 1 minute time frame. The order block is there. So if it tries to show me some kind of entry, okay, it is 8:47. Should I take an entry or not? Think about this. 8:47 p.m. Okay, I'll try to take some entry. Okay, but first of all, let me just try to analyze if the price has swing down from this point to this point. Okay, the equilibrium is right now at this level. The price should reach back to this point. Let's see what structure it shows me. I hope it shows me some valid structure. Buy side taken again. Those who were thinking the market will go down, they took out their buy side liquidities. And this is what? I don't have much confirmation over this, so let it be. Let it play out. Okay. Let it play out. That's it. I ain't got much confirmation for the price to be at that level. Okay, it took out that low. Fine. Change in the structure of liquidity. By the way, it was exactly at that point or not. If I place it, it exactly touched the change in the structure of liquidity and it then swept downwards. And also there is an order block, so there are two confirmations as well. Okay, next time I'll try to keep the entry in my mind. Got it. It went back higher and then went back lower again. I want the lower liquidity to be taken as well. Fine. All liquidities got taken. Let's go and put the price on Monday. So there's a equilibrium price swing as well. If the price wants to swing back higher, so there is an inverted fair value gap as well. There is a normal fair value gap as well. And also there is a change in the structure of liquidity, so the price has high chances of bouncing back from that level. I know it's a bit jargon, but just bear with it. So this is an inverted fair value gap. This is a normal fair value gap, and this is a change in the structural liquidity. This is equilibrium, right? So let me delete all these things because they are taken. So let it be. It was a really good model. I should have just take it there, and I should have kept my stop loss at this point. Fine, I should have trailed the stop loss. Okay, fine, I guess, right? Sell side liquidities are there. The price can take out those sell side liquidity. Let me mark those sell side liquidity. Buy side liquidity is also there. So here's a break in the market structure. Let me form an entry over at this point. Okay. Open position. I want to sell. Do I want to sell? Yes, I want to sell. Limit initial balance is point. 40 is fine. Like, okay, I did a great win, so I can take a loss of 0.40. It's fine. So it took out. It took me out. Fine, it's fine. 1066. Okay. Okay, so I did my trade over here. 445. Okay, it was a good time of the day, so yes, we can take a trade. Again, buy sell liquidities have been built. The market has manipulated people to go higher, and it has built a sell side liquidities, but it went higher. For the people to think there's a support and the price one needs to go higher, it is recovering. Maybe the people are trying to find the bottom, but let's see, is it showing us any kind of pride movement where we can see a sell entry. Okay, it finally took out this buy stop which I wanted to. Now if it wants to go lower, it can. Okay, but let's see what it's trying to do. I go on a daily time frame. What's the time right now? The price could reject from this point, right? Change in the structure of liquidity. Okay, on daily time frame. So these two levers I have drawn. This is according to daily time frame, the change in structure liquidity. This is according to the 1 hour time frame, change in structure liquidity. Sorry. So it has built the buy stops which have been now taken out. Fine, it's fine for me. These buy stops are not now taken out. Okay, okay. Buy side liquidity has been ran out. How many? 10 pips. Nearly 10 pips, right? No, not 10 pips. So 13 or 14 pips it has ran up higher, right? And it has ran through the daily or daily, but there is a change in structural liquidity on the 1 hour time frame. You guys could see here. This is change in structural liquidity. Okay, this is the point where the structural liquidity has changed. Okay, somewhere in the middle, this is the point where it could change its trajectory. Any fair value gap? Yes, there's a fair value gap that has been inverted. Yes or no? There is a fair value gap that has been inverted. Yes, we can see. What the trade which I have been taking out. I'll try avoiding trades on. Okay, it's 17:30 Monday. This is the point exactly where the change structural liquidity has happened. This is the nearest sell side liquidity, and this is the farthest. Okay, so sell limit, not market, just a lot of, there's no significant price difference, so I'll just trade at market. Okay, it took out this high. That is what in the little break, that is what I was thinking, because there's a fair value gap which has been respected. Okay, and the price can shoot up from that point. Shit, why I didn't see some fair value gap that got inverted. Fair value gap that got inverted. That is the moment I should have taken my trade out. But it's fine. I learned something. Okay. Now the time is okay. Not a big deal, but let's go. Okay, so this is the point where it was taken. I stopped for a while, just to take something off from that point, but it's fine. Even if I would have seen this thing, there is no kind of this none of the entry that could be formed over at this point. Okay. But yeah, let's say level is built. These particular things are inverted. I don't have no conversions on them. So on Monday and Tuesday might be the market is manipulating and going up. 0.5 equilibrium level is already reached. Then what the hell is price trying to do? 70.5 and 60T, it can give us some kind of replacement as well. The price could certainly break down from this point. London session, and this is what again the London session on Monday. No, okay. Price manipulated more mostly on Monday and Tuesday. Might be that the price wants to go lower. Have a confirmation. Okay, okay. So while the market was going up, it has created a sell side liquidities. If I could end up precisely, then I could make a lot of profits. So we are in a bigger time frame fair value gap. Okay, the price could come back to this point, and then we can shoot inside again, shoot back lower, then again lower, little lower. Maybe at this level we can shoot down, but let's go on precisely and see what we can do. Is this a change in a structure or liquidity? Think about this. I want a little more confirmations. It has not touched the fair value gap, right? Okay, the fair value gap is exactly like this. from this high as well. Mm. Okay. Okay, I'll now have a trade in downward direction. But because the stop loss is way too low, I'll just put $10. Okay. Uh, let's go on. No. Okay, we can take out open position. We can sell. Market current balance 0.25 27 straight. Fine. Let's see how it plays out. Okay. Okay, now I can take an entry. Fine. Sorry. Here's a more confirmation thing. Okay, so this is a fair value gap which is inverted, and the moment this fair value gap gets inverted, okay, I can anticipate entry in the downward direction. This is a fair value gap which has been inverted. Okay, now I can open the position once again, or I can take an entry just there itself. Okay, yeah. Maybe these lows are okay. Sell, market, current balance, again trade. So I'm right now it's 1809. Oh, 1609. It's in the New York also, so it's fine for me. I shouldn't have taken a trade here. Why? Because I can't see proper structure. Just a fair value gap that has seen. I don't see any structure that is formed. Okay, inverse fair value gap. Okay, these are the targets which I could see, and if I place my stop loss at this point, then I'll gain 149. It's fine. Let's see it plays out in my direction or not. La, 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 la. I should keep my. If I keep the target over here, I'll take $36, right? No, but I can keep my stop loss at this point. Fine. It's way too good. I actually, took out something from that point. Although it got reverse, but yeah. This okay. I didn't see the price which was getting inverted, so it went higher. Then it again broke down, but it only took it. It swept. And again, this is a fair value gap that the fair value gap has now inverted. So we are in an inverted fair value gap zone. So we can rally higher. Okay, fine, 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 fine. But anyways, we made something else. Okay, at least we made something. Oh, $10 we made. 1023. We made $10. Fine, it's fine for me. Okay. If it doesn't pan out in our direction, what else we could do, right? Wednesday. Okay, now this is a good time of the week. The shoot in the price is just way too much insane. This high is about to be taken. Plus, there's a fair value gap. Sorry, an inverted fair value gap where we could see, hmm, I think it has manipulated enough. At least on Wednesday it should go in the direction where we want it to. Bigger time frame imbalance. Okay, inverted fair value gap is this. What's the time right now? 12:30 Wednesday, 12 April. Why it's not loading? Uh, it's Tuesday. I have to go to. First profit. No need for this. Is the market showing some structure or not? Let me just have a look, guys. Here's a failure gap that has been inverted. Okay. Inverted fair value gap. Price in a higher time frame imbalance. Even if the price is just for a second, think that even if the price is actually swinging higher, okay, at least the price should come back to this level as well. At least this change in the structural delivery. Okay. This is a level at least I anticipate for the price to come back to. Okay, even if the change in the structure of delivery has happened. Okay, and there's a proper lows that have been formed here. Inside liquidities, yes, we have been from there. We can take an entry at this high, at this low. What we could do. Hey. Open position, sell market. Current balance, yeah. Pocket 6 now. You can just put it like here. That's it. Uh, think about this. What could happen? Is a smaller time frame failing up? Let me just get back my stop loss to this point. Okay. Okay, it was trying to generate the liquidity in the London session, right? Most of the times when I'm seeing this in the London session, it is trying to generate the liquidity. Okay, so it is trying to bounce back from it here to generate more and more orders. But at least not much loss. We are back under 1000. We don't care. Let's just keep doing things what we are actually doing. Okay. High time frame model lock. The price has been below this point. Can we see any kind of confirmation for the price to go down? Okay, buy sell level swept. Okay, now there's a fair value gap that has been in the downward direction. Buy sell level swept. Okay, we can't go above this particular point. Okay, that's it. 3.5 and this is 5.3. Last trade was profit or loss. It was loss. Sell market current balance 0.25 place trade. Let it just take out what it needs to do. It'll do. Okay, so for the whole week, the market was actually bullish and was trying to take a trade on the sell side model. That is the reason I am having a loss. Okay. We are on 42 minutes and let's take some water. Thursday it should go higher, and then on Friday it should come down. That's what I will, anticipate. Retail stuff, price higher, go down. Okay, let's see. Six 8:45. No, I should not take a trade. So why this thing didn't work out? This is proper fair value gap inversion, right? भाई वायरस तुम्हें हो यार, क्या हो गया? अरे यार उनके उनके यार ओम के अलावा दूसरी दे दे ऋतिक की। Okay, fair value gap. We can expect the price to come back to that point. I'll try not to take trades on the lender session because it's too much. Okay, so lender session it is trying to go lower. Fine. I'll have to go with more conservative loss because I'm losing on really high streak. The price is now right now at the equilibrium level. Let's see if we can see any kind of change in the market structure. Then we can anticipate a buy sell level to be taken out. No price movement. Okay. This is a low resistance liquidity. Retailers will think that this will be broken. It should go higher, but it will actually break in the downward direction. Okay. Buy side liquidity. See, the price has been in this zone, then the price should show some rally so that retailers will can get caught. Okay. And also for the retailers to get caught, there is some kind of liquidity that has been present here. Okay, so one rally higher, then in a downward direction. Let's see if I could get this or not. Okay. Okay, buy sell liquidity has been swept out finally. Then I want the price to now go lower. Is there any liquidity? Okay, there's a lot of buy sell liquidity. Will the price go up or down? I will look for the sell side liquidity to be taken, right? Fine. Yes. I will be done for the day because taking this session was a little bit on the losser side, losing side. Okay. And I found out actually that on the lender session when I'm taking any trade, it mostly goes in loss. Okay, but on the New York session when I take a trade, it's mostly in profit. So if I could, somehow really confirm that if I am losing on lender session, then I'll not take my trades on lender session. I'll take the trades on New York session if I could find out, okay, if I'm profitable there, right? Then that is it for the day, guys. Let me just save this up. Complete. Let the price go to the next week. Fine. Let me just divide it. Okay, fine. It's done for the Monday. Okay, I'll get back and see what I can do. Okay, till then, that is it, guys. Okay, that's it. Let's exit the session. Okay, see, I'm not going, my analytics is not going to be good because win percentage will decrease 33% back to this thing. We have 90 trades so far, okay, and we have the win percent of 30%, and we have total average RRs to be 4.23. Okay, 9.25%. Fine, 9.25% is also fine. I'm gaining and flatlining down the equity drawdown curve, and then again I'm gaining, and then flatline down the equity curve, and then again gaining, then flattening down the equity drawdown curve. That is it for today, guys. Take care. See you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep studying. Keep backtesting. That is it. Bye.